Hey, welcome back to the 2025 Wine Advent Calendar from Drinking It In. We're on day 2. We're going to talk about Chardonnay. I know we're starting off Cabernet Sauvignon and Chardonnay, but that's just what the system told me to do in terms of the order. Chardonnay is a bit of a polarizing grape. There are people who love it, love the oaky, buttery versions, and there are people that love it who love unoaked versions. And then there are people who just hate it and will never drink Chardonnay. But I argue it's probably because they haven't had the right Chardonnay. Now, you need to know stylistically what they bring to the table from a style perspective, right? If you're going to get a California Chardonnay, if it's from Napa, it's generally going to be big and round and buttery and oaky. If it's a Chardonnay from Sonoma or Santa Barbara County, that's where I really love the Chardonnays. Those will be a little more, let's say, pure fruit, less oak, really, I don't want to say subtle, a subtle use of oak, maybe even. Naturally, if you want to spend top dollar, you can go to France and go to Burgundy and buy a high-end white Burgundy, which is all Chardonnay. I think an underrated region for Chardonnay in Burgundy is Chablis. Chablis, all the wines are unoaked, right? They're done in stainless steel tanks, and it really provides just a fresh, lovely expression of Chardonnay, and something that I think you really should check out and explore before the prices for Chablis follow the rest of Burgundy and just become unattainable. But in the end, right, you have a Chardonnay, roast a chicken, drink the wine, sit back and relax. It's going to be a winner every time. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3.